Hello all, Simon Toohey here, brand ambassador for Dilmah. You know those times when you come home from work or even on the weekend or it's a nice sunny day out and you just want a quick and easy drink, something that's going to wet the whistle, satisfy the cravings and be super delicious without having to think about shaking, stirring or anything like that. Well, this little number is so beautiful and I'm starting by infusing my gin with the tea. There's a little trick here if you want to make it super quick and you want to get that flavor of that tea in the gin, is just warm the gin up a little bit. Don't boil it. Do not even bring it up to 78 degrees where alcohol is starting to create, you know. Just warm it through. 40 degrees is fine. And then put it into the tea bags, 2 or 3 or 4. I've only used 45 mils here, so I've used 1 tea bag for 45 mils. Once it's infused, grab your ice, put it into your highball, pour your infused gin in there with the Dilmah Youth Tea, and then get your favorite soft drink, anything you like, and then just top it up with your favorite soft drink or soda. I got some dehydrated oranges here. You could do a wedge of lemon. You could make whatever you want. You could do a fruit salad out of this because it really allows it to. If you're gonna do a big batch in a jug, why not add some grapes, some watermelon, some apple pieces, you know, you've got anything you like in there. Go for it. This is Dilmah's Arana range youth tea that I've infused into gin, and then I've added my favorite soda water.